Guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashie E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I have a good one for you guys. I am finally going to be reviewing a V Part wig. Y'all, I've been waiting for so long to get my hands on a V Part wig, and finally, you guys, I have it. So I'd like to thank Unice Hair so much for sending me this hair. So as I mentioned, you guys, this is a V Part wig. I know a lot of you guys may be familiar with a U Part wig or familiar with a lace frontal wig, but this wig promises that you don't have to leave any hair out. And if you do decide to leave any hair out, you just have to leave just a little bit. You don't have to worry about glue. You don't have to worry about your lace lifting, girl. You don't have to worry about any of that with this wig. So I'm super duper excited to try it out for you guys. So the wig that Unice Hair did send me is a kinky curly wig in 24 inches. You guys know I love my kinky curly wig. And let me just get into the construction of the wig. This is the bag that it comes in. That was the box that you guys saw earlier. It smells just regular, like when you get a brand new wig. I do love the curls. They're absolutely gorgeous. I always prefer a tighter type of curl whenever I am wearing my natural wigs because it tends to blend a little bit better with my actual hair texture. So you guys can see the hair is long and it is very beautiful, which I am here for it. So this, you guys, is the V. So this is the V. Let me come up close so that you guys can see it. So as you guys can see, it has a lace right here, but the lace is black. And this is so that it can blend really flawlessly with your hair. And then when you turn it to the other side, you guys, you'll notice that it has some clips here. So it has 4 clips at the top. It has a clip right here in the middle. It has some combs for extra support, and it also has some bands down here as well as a few additional combs. So yeah, guys, I'm super duper excited to try it out. This is supposed to save us so much time, you guys. Like when I install lace wigs, you guys, sometimes I do have to touch it up. I have to touch up edges. I have to do all of that. But with this, you can just pop it on, baby, and be out the door. So that is amazing. So as far as what's going on with my hair, you guys, as you guys know, I had a silk press these past few weeks, but I decided to wash my hair last night. As you guys can see, my hair 100% reverted. So this is my hair. Just put it in some plaits so that it could dry, but I am going to be rocking a middle part today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to put the wig cap on. And what I'm gonna do before I get started is I'm actually going to do my edges. So I do have my Arcani coil care. I have a whole video on this edge control, you guys. And I'm just gonna put it on the perimeter of my hair or on my edges and just lay my edges really quickly. I really like this edge control because it does have a long hold and it does pass the rub challenge as well. All right, y'all, so as you guys can see, my edges are secure. So for the moment of truth, I'm just gonna lay this bad boy . What do you guys think? That was quick, right? So quick and so easy. It's also very flat right here. I don't have to worry about no leave out. I don't have to worry about anything. Like, where do they do that at? Like, you guys, I am in love with it. Wow. You can't tell me this not growing out my scalp, boo. You just can't. This is so nice, y'all. And I just can't get over how easy it was for me to install this, and the fact that it looks like my hair. Wow. Y'all, it gets no better than this. I've been longing to try the V Part, and y'all, it was well worth the wait. So yeah guys, this is super duper easy to install. It is a beautiful wig. If you guys are trying to get into wigs and things like that, and you can't be bothered with all the laces, the glues, all of that stuff, this would be a perfect choice for you. As I said, with this one, if you're not comfortable with it just being how it is, you can always add a minimal leave out, which I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that in a bit. But y'all, this is perfect for me. When the wind blows, as I said, you're not going to be seeing a ton of tracks. Just make sure your edges are done, and that's pretty much it guys. So I hope you guys really like it, because I love it. I absolutely love it. I love it, you guys. I love it. So now you guys, I'm actually going to try it with a minimal leave out, just so that you guys can see that it's not a lot of work at all. As you guys can see, the leave out is minimal, barely any hair, you guys. Look how small that is. So now I'm gonna put this cap back on, and then let's get this wig back on, you guys. Y'all, I am so in love with this hair. It's crazy. So this is my hair. Let me just go ahead and perfect my middle part really quickly. Get my spray bottle. Get my Eco Styler gel. I would also like to say that this wig is quite roomy. As you guys know, I always say like I have a large head, but this wig kind of has a lot of space, you guys. Alright y'all, so this is pretty much the hair with my natural hair as a leave out. So as you guys can see, it blends very well as well, even with my hair being super short. Even with my hair being super short, it still blends really nicely. You guys, I love it. I absolutely love, love, love it. This is a unit that is easy, y'all. If you guys are looking for a hairstyle that is convenient, that is super easy, that is quick, this is right up your alley, you guys. It's a nice, affordable unit, beautiful curls. You guys don't have to do a long array of things to install it. If you want to have a leave out, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. I showed you two different ways to style it. You can style it with a leave out or without, and they both look quite nice, you guys. I'm not even sure which one I like better. I like both. You know, there are gonna be some days when I'm just gonna be in a rush and I just put this on my head and be out the door, and then there are going to be other days when I have 5 minutes to spare to, you know, add a little gel and things like that. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Please check my description box for all the information about this unit. I think this is something that you guys will really enjoy. And don't forget to comment, let me know if you guys like the unit better with the leave out or without the leave out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I do post multiple times per week, so definitely turn on your bell so you don't miss an upload from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.